Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are we going to the supermarket?
Yes, we need some food for dinner.
Great! I am ready.
Dad, are you sure?
Of course, I have my phone, my keys, and my wallet. I don't remember.
Did you have it in the kitchen?
Maybe. It isn't here.
Look under the table.
Nothing.
Maybe the wallet is in the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator?
You put everything there.
Very funny, Leo. Not here.
Nothing here. Dad, what is this?
My old wallet.
Dad, did you go to your bedroom this morning?
Yes. I changed my shirt.
Then let's look there. Your old wallet?
Yes.
But I need my new wallet.
Why do you have two wallets? That's a good question. Wait! I just remembered!
Yes?
I think I lost my wallet here.
What does it look like?
It is brown. I think I lost my wallet here. What does it look like? It is brown. Is it small? Yes, it is small and brown. Yes, it is small and brown. I don't think we have it. Oh no, I hope you can find it. What? Is this your wallet? Yes, that's my wallet.
We found it! Great! Dad is lucky.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. My money is here. My cards are here.
Good.
I am very happy. Where did I put my keys? Where did I put my keys?
Maybe on the table. Maybe under the chair. Maybe in your hand.
Oh.
Dad!
We need vegetables, rice, and fruit.
I'll get the vegetables. I'll get the fruit. I'll get the fruit. I want some chocolate.
One chocolate bar.
Really? Yes. Thank you, Mom.
Don't worry, I have my wallet.
Dad, keep your hand on your pocket.
Good idea. Are you happy today?
It's so happy today, Dad.
Are we gonna get ice cream?
Yes, we are.
All right, everyone, we are finally home.
Let's get these groceries inside.
I want to carry the big bag.
We are finally home.
Look at all these oranges.
Today, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
Always remember where you put your things. Very funny.
Dad, where are your keys?
Right here.
Good job, Dad.
Thank you.